how to make a cover letter. Thank you for being with us today. In a few minutes, we're going to learn how to make a cover letter using a few templates in Microsoft Word. You are welcome. Let's go to Microsoft Word. Wait for it to load and open a blank document. After this, we're going to click File, then New. Type in cover letter in the search bar and click Enter, and a number of free templates will appear. These templates are totally free of charge, and it is arranged according to types. Feel free to use it. Now, scroll through and check a number of templates. Then choose the best out of your choice. You can also use Canva for more templates and designs. Later, after you have identified your template, click on it and it will be activated. Wait a few seconds and then click on Create. We wait for it to load and be activated in our blank document. Go through the template before you start editing. The most exciting thing is that this document is in a format that allows you to delete available details and replace it with yours. Type your name in this area. Let's say you are James Brooklyn, a video editor. That's it. Now go ahead and check other details, delete and type in yours. After you are done typing, go ahead and save your document for you to access later. Click on File, select Save As. Click on this PC and then Document. Type in your document name and save. Now your document is ready to access. Thank you for learning these steps of how to make a cover letter. Please share with your friends and family so that they can learn too. I have also posted a video on how to make a resume. Check it out and learn. Thank you for being with us today. Till next time, take zone.